Hello everyone, welcome back to the Beyond the Stars 33. I am Tatiana. I'm here with some more astrology videos, okay? I am fin to begin. These are gonna be hard, okay? So we have Pallas in Aries, which is a fire triangle, a fire sign, plus cardinal meaning, plus yang energy, and there's some numbers on it, okay? So Pallas in Aries, that is 7 degrees. Okay, so let's begin. Remember, this is a fake birth chart, and I did pick a year from the 70s. Okay, so let's begin. Pallas, when I see this is not good to me. Okay, when I see all the energies together, this is not good. Okay, there's a lot of destructive behavior right here. Okay, so whoever has this, you're gonna be very destructive. You ain't gonna be able to listen. Okay, you will not be able to cooperate with people. Okay, when it comes to this energy. Okay. So let's see. This what Pallas means in astrology. It represents wisdom, strategy, and knowledge. It indicates how individuals approach intelligence, creative thinking, and problem solving abilities. The position of Pallas in a natal chart reveals insights into one's decision making processes and mental accomplishments. Additionally, Pallas is associated with the mythological figure Pallas Athena, symbolizing ideals and a passionate nature. Overall, Pallas highlights the blend of astrology and psychology, offering a deeper understanding of personal growth and challenges. And that's what Pallas means. Now, you might, but the energies right here I'm getting is you not. Okay, and don't forget it's a 7. You a 7, okay? If you Aries Pallas, okay? Uh yes, okay. So this is what it means for Aries. Pallas and Aries signifies a strong focus on strategic thinking, yes, assertiveness, and independence. Individuals with this placement are often seen as natural born leaders and innovators, possessing a pioneering spirit and a desire to take risk. They are characterized by their individuality, leadership qualities, and a pioneering approach to problem solving, always seeking new paths and solutions. This placement encourages a dynamic and proactive approach to life where they are not afraid to assert their ideas and stand out in their pursuits. Okay, like yeah, it just depends on who that person is, but the energy, like the numbers and stuff, and like the fire and all that. But yes, like if it's a balance, then yes, okay. Um, so the fire triangle, what it means for this, okay? In astrology, now remember it's a 7, okay? God number, okay? In astrology, a fire triangle specifies a grand fire sign occurs when three planets in the fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius, are positioned approximately 120 degrees apart. So 3. This aspect is characterized by qualities such as passion, inspiration, creativity, and action. Individuals with a green fire sign may experience heightened enthusiasm, motivation, and a strong desire to pursue their goals, often leading to increased confidence and self-expression. This aspect is considered beneficial, reflecting a harmonious flow of energy and dynamism in their lives. Okay. Next, we got carnal meaning for this, for all this. Okay, it was all underneath all of this. Okay. In astrology, cardinal refers to the four signs Aries, your energy, Cancer, Libra, and Capricorn. These signs are known for their initiatory force as they mark the beginning of each of the four solar seasons. The term cardinal itself derived from Latin, meaning important, highlighting the pivotal role these signs play in initiating new experiences and changes in life. Okay? So, yeah, okay? So, you double this, okay? And then we have yang, okay? Which means masculine, active, and assertive energy. In astrology, yang represents the masculine, active, and assertive energy. It is one half of the yin-yang duality, where yin symbolizes femininity and passivity. Yang is characterized by qualities such as assertiveness, action, and extrovertism. It depends on how they lose it, okay? They losing it for good or bad. Promoting growth, creativity, and progress through initiates. Yeah. It is associated with fire and air signs, which exhibit vibrant and expressive traits. Understanding yang can provide insights into personal traits and how they interact with the world around you. Okay, that got 30, so 3. Cardinal got 26, that's an 8. Okay, so they are balanced when it comes to um taking a little bit of this, taking a little bit of that from both sides, you know what I'm saying? They might act like the yin cardinal energy, you know, when it comes to becoming God or whatever, but they mainly lose the left side, okay? Because what the 7 is like that, okay? I know, right? 7 is a bigger number than 5. Yes, I know, okay, yeah, okay. So, yeah. So you add 1, 26, 26, and 70 up. It's 123, which is 6. Okay, this is not what somebody's looking for. They looking for a 6, not a 9, not a 7. Okay, they looking for a 6. Okay, so yeah, I know these were hard. Okay, I don't know whoever's. Shout out to you. Okay, you gave me some hard ones. Okay, but yes, hopefully this helps you all. Enjoy.